Friends, now we are going to talk about various uses of PAN form 49A. We are going to explain about filling the form of 49A, which is specially meant for individual minors between the age of 3 months to 18 years. The form is placed herewith as to be used for minor PAN form. The documents to be attached with the PAN form is enclosed herewith, as also the use of composite service form, that is correction form, is also enclosed herewith. It is free from UTTSL site or from the agency. You can come to our office, you can get this form and list of documents free of cost. Next, explanation of minor PAN card. Why do we get minor PAN card? Minor PAN card is used for to make bank accounts, make deposits, make RD or saving bank account either from bank or from post office. The status will be 3 months to below 18 years. After that, you can change the PAN card to individual after completion of 18 years. The guy who will sign the form. The father of the child will sign the form on the but you have to put two photos as explained yesterday on the left and right side. The father will use the left side cross signature and the right side will in the bottom of the signature as given below the box. Next, child's Aadhaar. What are the documents to be attached with the minor PAN card form? Father's PAN card uh, and his Aadhaar copy is sufficient. And also you have to attach child birth certificate and his her birth certificate. School bona fide certificate also attached. In case it is not available, you can get VAO certificate from VAOs explaining matters from Sri Miss Sweta, son of Velgopal, is the bona fide student of the school name at address given below the address. The VO of the area should sign and put his name signature and round signature left side and right side. Reason to save to open bank account, saving account either from bank or post office. Any other financial transaction should be taken giving the PAN card form of the children, where the specialty is the PAN card when it is coming to you, it will be shown as minor, written as minor. No photo will be in the PAN card. The father's signature will be available, but after 18 years, completion of 18 years, you can change it. Okay, next. The PAN form 49 is also used for FAM, partnership, trust. Also, you can when you get the form, when you get PAN card, you can use the form 49A. What are the requirements? What are the documents to be attached for getting PAN card for FAM, partnership, or trust? One, there is no photo is required. Those who open the trust or firm partnership, they have to get the partnership deed or trust deed as also registration certificate from the office authority. And around they need to make one round stamp, one name stamp, which is required to place on the form as marked in the slide. Wherein the second page, in between the bottom of the left side, you have to put the round side in between the signature and the place and date. It very clearly. Form. Next, you can use the UDI for expand your business. For name changes, spelling corrections, sequence changes, date of birth, gender. There is a schedule. Name changes will be carried out twice. Spelling correction can be done anytime with the document. Sequence changes. Features for individuals above 18 years, you can make individual PAN card. To make PAN card for trust, government, associate person, partnerships, firm, local authority, limited liability, partnerships and individual. The explanation of status of applicants as given at para 10, which we should consider by auditor in case of any confusion to make what we want. Why should we give proper address at para 7? You have to get the PAN card rightly to your address what you given in the form as per address given in the Aadhaar card. Why should you complete the form black ballpoint pen? It is used to avoid the blurring of writing. Secondly, it cannot be overwriting. It cannot be. It is to be treated as permanent writing. Next, point 7. What are the materials we have to keep aside while filling the form? Erasex or whitener and good black pen and writing material and get the details from the individual or applicant those who will meet you to get the clear picture what we have to give or what he wants to get get in the PAN card. Thank you very much for seeing my video. Share it as you wish. Okay, thank you very much. Next day we shall do other serial of videos.